Alright, today we have a spider monkey. 12 shots, and it's by Great Grizzly. I have a Great Grizzly by me, but I don't get a whole lot from them. So there's your 12 shots. I'm actually getting ready to cut the wrap off of it. It's already been shot, so we're going to go back in time and record the demo. There's your 12 shots, 20 seconds, loudness 9 out of 10, firing pattern straight up, effect height high, performance sea blue stars, gold glitter, red dahlia with gold glitter, purple dahlia with gold glitter. This end up. If you didn't know that, you do not need to be shooting fireworks. And this, oh shit, is actually pretty good. Spider monkey. I like the artwork. Now we're gonna hop in the time machine and go get you the demo. Wasn't bad at all.